Hello, my name is Kim Tran and I work for the Fort Worth Public Library. Welcome to my kitchen. Today what we're going to do is we're going to make some alternative flours. I know for me, knowledge is power, and instead of feeling anxiety when I go to the store and I'm lacking some ingredients, I think it's empowering to know that you can make alternative flours using everyday items in your house. So today I have a blender and we're going to make two types of flour. The first type is going to be rice flour, just using a bowl of rice. This is dried jasmine white rice. You can use whatever rice that you have at home. And we're also going to use dried corn to make cornmeal. This is just a good way to create alternative food resources that are both healthy and gluten-free. Later in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to access the library resources to gain access to fun and healthy gluten-free recipes. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to make our rice flour. All you need is your same bowl of dried rice. We're going to put it in your blender. Okay? And then I'm going to put it on high speed for 50 seconds. All right, so let's see the results of our grind. Ooh, you can tell it's very fine. There's some dust that's coming up. It's not dust, but it's just the particulate. Be sure not to breathe it in. And we're gonna pour it out into our bowl. Oh wow, this is really fine. Now different blenders will do a different amount of fineness, but you can always work it through a sieve. Or sift it. You can always sift it. All right. So this is our flour and it's very fine. If you can see that, this can definitely make a wonderful dough. Best of all, it's gluten-free. All right, let's go ahead. We're going to move on. We're going to try and do the same thing with the corn. Let's see if we can get some corn flour out of this dried corn. This is just for me, so I'm not gonna worry about mixing rice flour and cornmeal. So I'm just gonna put it in the same container. There's my corn. And let's grind it up and see what happens. All right, let's open it up. I can definitely smell the cornmeal. And let's pour it out. Now I think the corn has some more oil in the kernels, which is a great thing for cooking. Okay. Wow, this is the result of our cornmeal. Now I did some research and there's some bakers that definitely prefer to grind their own cornmeal before they make cornbread because that keeps the oils and the flavors when you're cooking. So there you have it. I have two different types of alternative flours that you can make easily at home. The first is rice flour and the second is corn flour. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to walk you through how to access some fun gluten-free recipes and cookbooks on the Fort Worth Public Library Overdrive app. So please stay tuned and learn along with me.
Hello again, it's Kim, and I'm going to show you how to access your Fort Worth Public Library Libby app. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our browser. We're going to go up into your browser and we're going to type in fwpl.overdrive.com. I have it right here. Let's go into our account. Now you might need to sign in, so you might need to go in. I'm already signed in, but you can go ahead and click sign in right here. And from there, you're going to enter in your library card, and usually the default of your password is going to be the last 4 digits of your library card. But I'm already signed in, so I'm going to go ahead and search. Now we're going to search the gluten-free recipes and cookbooks in our collection. Wow, look at all of the things that we have. Oh, we have artisanal gluten-free cooking, quick fix gluten-free, oh, and for the holidays. We have all sorts, even gluten-free cooking for dummies. Now the key to this is if you see the blue tag up here that says available, you can go ahead and check it out right now. If you want, you can also sort by relevance. We have titles and authors and popularity. So feel free to check it out. What I'm going to do is go ahead and pull this one down. This is a great recipe book. And this one I have already borrowed it. And if you want to go and see it, we're going to go to loans. And this is my bookshelf right here. So you see this bookshelf? These are the books that I've already checked out. And I can go ahead and you can either read with your Kindle or read in your browser. So let's go ahead and open up Read in your browser. Great. And now I have access to the book in my browser. I can turn the pages, and these are all the recipes that I would ever want. And I love this. This is the chapters, the title contents, and you can it's a link, so if you want to jump ahead and go right to there, you can go ahead and do that. But say we're finished with our book and we want to return it. Right down here is the return. The best part about the Overdrive app is that it will return books automatically when it's due. But I'm going to go ahead and return these books, and it is best practice to go ahead and return titles when you're finished, even if it's before the due date, so that it can be continued to circulate for all of the other people in your community. But thanks so much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful time exploring our Overdrive and Libby app. This can also work on your phone as well. Hope to see you again. Bye!